Hi guys, and welcome back to home shoulder workouts. You want bigger deltoids? This is the place to be, and all you need is just a set of dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use modified water bottles. Okay, so we'll start several workouts for your shoulders, from the comfort of your home. Okay, the first workout we're going to do is alternate forward raise. We are targeting anterior deltoids. Your rep range will be between 10 to 15 repetitions according to your desired results. Good. Then we go to side laterals. Okay. Remember, your rep range is between 10 to 15 repetitions. Then we go to shoulder press. Ten to 15 repetitions. Upright rowing from here, bring your elbows up. Again, 10 to 15. Okay, so our next workout will be now the posterior deltoids, an exercise we rarely do. Sit on the edge of your seat, lean forward, your weight comes from behind here, and you take it forward. Fifteen repetitions. When doing shoulder workouts, it's always very good to have a holistic workout, like a 3D workout on all your shoulder points. So in the shoulders, we have the anterior deltoids, we have the medial deltoids, and we have the posterior deltoids. We also have the traps. Okay, so it's always important to do a whole workout, so at least you can target all the muscles around your deltoid region. So when you're doing alternate forward raise, our main target is now the anterior deltoid. Okay, this part, it gives you a very nice structure when done properly, and now when you've really engaged your chest muscle, it gives you a wider and more bulky look. So it's important you keep on adding weight as you keep on reducing on the repetition. Okay, when we came to side raise first, we were mostly targeting our medial, lats here, the medial deltoids. So taking it side, we are targeting the medial shoulder, and remember also to keep on increasing on the weight. Shoulders out, keep on increasing on the weight, reducing on your repetition. Next, we went now to traps and the overall shoulder workouts, which is squeezing up, squeezing up, squeezing up. Remember to keep on adding weight, reduce on the repetition. Now, when we went to upright rowing, remember always your chest forward, the weights are here under your shin, and the elbows are pointing up. Okay, you'll feel the stretch on your traps, and this really works well on your traps, okay, to give you those nice looking, shoulder traps. Then now we went for the anterior deltoids, the posterior deltoids, where you have to lean forward. You lean forward so that you can separate. If you are seated upright like this, you'll mostly target the medial deltoids, but you have to lean forward if we want to target now the posterior deltoid, so that when you're pushing your arms, you push towards up like that, you'll feel a squeeze on your upper shoulders, okay? So towards forward, then take it back here under, okay? Forward. So remember, I am in this position, and you remain in this position throughout that workout, and only your hands moving. So avoid dancing or jumping up and about. So just your hands moving, moving, moving to repetitions, okay? So those are workouts you can do to get very nice shoulders, very nice deltoids, and the comfort of your home. So any other question, any other suggestion, anything, any other workout that you want to be shown how to do, kindly write on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to take you through it. Until the next video,